Ubuntu Nest, we do a variety of programs to get young people to express themselves. Recently, we've started a project that looks specifically at young men and boys. And that project is called Vukani Bafana, which means rise up young men. And the intention is to give young men an opportunity and a platform to start conversations about their lives, about their potential, and also about what threatens their future success. We started the project with a program to record a radio drama. This radio drama, we recorded it with the learners from Injoloba High School here in Howick. And the intention is that this radio drama can go to different schools, play there, and young people can use the drama to discuss important things about friendships, brotherhood, about choosing friends, about identifying things that can trap you and defeat your purpose in life.
Angikuvulanga umlomo ukuthi uphuze. Angikuvulanga umlomo ukuthi ubheme. Ukwenza ngoba uyaphapha and bewufuna ukuba nathi kwindaba yokubamba inkunzi. Kuvele wena wedwa kuvidiyo. Ubaba uthe ummeli wakhe uthi mina ngizophuma.
Aw. Ushilo mama uthi uzongilahla.
Sabafana siyakwazi ukuthi si understandane uyizwisisa into eshiwa instills ngoba mawuthatha ukubheka most of the time sijwayele ukudlula ama challenges afanayo yabona, so kungcono uzokwazi ukuthi uthole umuntu okunderstandayo okwi same age nawe ozokwazi ukuthi hayi mayisho le mfethu nami ngiyayibona lento because yena isiyenzekile kuyena, okay nanku umphumela, so awuthi ngimlalele ngibona ukuthi izo 10 out kanjani.